Hello everyone, I'm Manoj G.S. So I have secured All India rank 389 in UPSC CSC 2025. So we have come up with Public Administration Brahmastra initiative to help public administration community, especially considering that there are no proper resources available with respect to optional preparation, and considering the importance of public administration, which is helpful even in GS2 as well as GS4 papers. We have to prepare it thoroughly beyond the theory that we read in the standard books. We have to do the extra analysis part as well, and also we have to go beyond the overused examples to bring in very unique examples as well. So that is why public administration Brahmastra initiative has been launched. So firstly, in the total there are 12 PDFs. So in the first PDF, the focus is to ensure every micro theme in public administration syllabus is analyzed. For example, what I have done is from the topper copy analysis is that I have segregated each micro theme into 15 dimensions. That is the definition and the pictographic evolution of that particular theme as well. And also I have given 3 different types of high quality introductions, such as thinker based introduction, definition based introduction, and example based introduction. And also I have brought, for every theory there are minimum 5 to 6 thinkers which you can bring in. I have given those thinkers along with their applicability in that particular topic as well. And also I have brought in 5 to 6 relevant keyword quotes that you can use in your answers, which will enrich your answers. And I have given nearly 15 keywords for every micro theme. Along with that, the most important aspect is paper 1 and paper 2 linkage. There what I have done is that for every theme I have given contemporary examples from 2023 to 2026, which you can bring in paper 1 as well, and the best case practices across the world, which is one of the most important aspects of comparative public administration. I have brought in that. And mainly in public administration, there is an approach which I have observed in topper copies, that is thesis, antithesis, and synthesis. Visually, we write the thesis aspect, but we forget the antithesis and the synthesis aspect. For that, I have brought in the challenges, limitations, and antithesis for every topic, so that in the synthesis aspect, we are addressing the way forward as well as the what can be done, how the particular topic influenced the future theories, and what is the way forward. And also, I have given the futuristic conclusions in the synthesis aspect. So this is with respect to the PubAd paper 1. So in that, more than 100 micro themes have been analyzed, and the same case in the PubAd paper 2 PDF, we have analyzed more than 80 micro themes as per the syllabus. I have tried to cover all the micro themes that are given in both the paper 1 and paper 2. In the paper, in the PDF 2, what we have done is that 100 real life examples, rather than using RTI and MGNREGA, which are overused, I have tried to bring in 100 real life examples, such as for fighting misinformation, Satyameva Jayate initiative in Kerala, Punjab anti-corruption hotline, which was launched the last year, then Singapore anti-corruption model, Ombudsman model, and South Africa integrity institution appointment model, and New Zealand well-being budget. I have brought in such 300 plus unique examples for paper 1, as well as 300 examples, which are very important for paper 2, because in paper 2, it is mainly about the value that we provide. So that is why 300 examples also have been brought in, and mainly nearly 300 high-value keywords such as cosmopolitan localism, combative and coercive federalism towards collective and cooperative federalism. So I brought in such keywords which are catchy, which are usually used by toppers, and also I have brought in doctrines which are used by PSIR and law optional students, which we can use in our administrative law and other theories as well. So there are Wednesbury principles, the principles such as doctrine of proportionality, doctrine of reasonableness, doctrine of non-arbitrariness. Such doctrines also I have brought in. There are other doctrines such as doctrine of procedural propriety, doctrine of public trust. I have given nearly collection of 50 doctrines like that we can use in almost all the public administration questions. And most important aspect is that we usually stick to only 10 to 15 thinkers which are given in the theory or the public administration classes. But public administration is about curiosity. So I personally have collected and used more than 70 public administration thinkers such as economic Nobel Prize winners, such as Joseph Stiglitz, who gave a regulatory capture theory, then Eleanor Ostrom, who gave the common goods theory, and many more thinkers like that. These thinkers enrich our answers, and when we use thinkers like that, it shows the depth of our understanding. So even in paper 2, we can bring in something very unique called as judicial thinkers. For example, bringing Justice Krishna Iyer when we are talking about judicial accountability. So I have brought in such more than 70 thinkers for paper 1 and more than 70 thinkers for paper 2 as well. And the most important aspect in this resource is the dimension, the framework, which is 21 dimension based framework. This is a universal framework that you can apply across the questions. So nearly 80 to 90% of the public administration questions, you can apply this question, you apply this framework, and you can generate value addition as well as points. So what I would suggest is that if you feel blank, if you get blank during point generation, just bring these frameworks and try to think, what did that particular theory talk about this particular framework, or what did this particular thinker say about this particular framework? There you will be able to generate very beautiful points. And I have given 5 examples for paper 1 as well as for paper 2 from the PYQs itself to show how these frameworks can be applied. And overall, even for the paper 2, I have brought in 300 very unique, very less used, less known examples that I personally have used in my paper 2 answers that I have collected over the last 4 years. And I also have brought in nearly 50 to 60 thinkers for paper 2 as well. And I also brought in nearly 300 keywords for paper 2 as well. So I'm very confident that this resource, the Public Administration Brahmastra, will be very useful, especially for public administration optional preparation, and also in GS2 as well as GS4 preparation. So hope you find this resource helpful. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you.